Technology has changed rapidly in the soldering industry, and a lot of that is due to some of our competition as well. So, the design of new products has been a major portion of that, and introduction. Certainly, the technical and application support team has been deeply involved in that because of potentially where the designs were made. A lot of our designs were made in Bessenheim, Germany, and they were introduced into North America. So we had to basically Americanize, if you will. Markets are slightly different, and so conception of the product sometimes varies. And so we were part of a review team for the design of the products, and we would introduce the concepts or attributes of the products that may not have been necessarily needed or thought of in the European market. So heavily involved in that. And I think one of the technologies that that I was most impressed with was what we refer to as active tip technology. And that is our RT and RTW series soldering tips and soldering cartridges. The fact that these products heat up so quickly, they will get to actual operating temperature in about 5 to 6 seconds, and that is very quick. I do want to mention also that the original Weller soldering gun also reached operating temperature in about 6 seconds. So the technology, as grand as it is, has not been able to surpass the original Weller patented soldering gun. So that's, those two things have been a major influence in my involvement with products. And as much as the soldering gun has somewhat gone by the wayside because of the technology, the larger physical size of the products, it's still selling many guns per year. But the new technology with the active tips has just been a major gain in the market for Weller, and it's excited a lot of people, including myself. Probably one of the longest selling products that we had, I was directly involved in. I actually managed the R&D team for Weller in the Schirach facility for several years. And one of the products that we introduced, or actually it was two different products, was the model WES51 and the model WESD51. The WES51 was an analog version station with a dial setting, and the WESD51 was a digital LED display type of product. They were on the market for over 25 years. They had grand ratings with all of our internet distributors, such as Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, Home Improvement. Typically 87% favorable rating for the products, and they are just workhorses. They continue to be in the field today and just continue to do their job. And I'm very proud of that aspect of the product. But it also relates back to the earlier version products that are still out in the field. As a matter of fact, we just received one back to our repair center this week that has been out there since the mid-1980s, and it finally stopped working. And so a customer sent it back to us and actually told us we could use it for our library of products. And I know the product, I was over the manufacturing side of the product at that time, and just very proud of the quality and the longevity of the product history that we have with Weller. And we see this virtually day in and day out within the line. Products 25 to 30 years old still coming back, and it's the first time they've ever been repaired.